Hello, I'm Susie Huddleston, the Training Ambassador for Mayflower. Today I'd like to go over a couple of basics that are necessary to learn before you even start to go into balloon creations. I'd like to identify the hand pump. This is one of the best on the market, and it's got ridges along the side of it. Each one of these ridges is designed to hold the lip of a balloon. So this has been very well thought out and calculated on the amount of air that is dispersed through here. It's approximately a square inch of air into each balloon. So each pump is identified as an increment of space that goes into the balloon. So to start off with, we're going to take our balloon. Every balloon is designed and made so that it's got a professional quality to it. They're extremely stretchy, so don't be afraid to really stretch out that neck when you're going to go to tie it. So to start off with, you're going to take the lip of the balloon and put it on to the first ridge of the pump. And then I'm just going to grab the neck of the balloon for security, and I'm just going to pump it up, maybe 3-4 times. This is a 5-inch balloon, so that'll give me 3 or 4 inches in the 5-inch balloon. I never want to overinflate it. I just want to make it so that I can very comfortably tie a knot around the neck of the balloon. So I'm going to go with 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. And whenever I start pumping, I always make sure that my pump is at the starting position. I want to make sure that there's no air inside of the neck when I get started. Now to tie it, quite simply, I take this very stretchy neck, professionally made. This is not going to break on you. Very, very strong. 2 fingers. I'm going to wrap it around the 2 fingers. I've got plenty of room here, and I'm just going to tuck the tip of the balloon into the neck, as you can see right here. The tip of the balloon into the neck, remove my fingers, and boom, I've got a tied balloon. Now it gets a little more tricky when you get into these balloons. These are designed so that they are longer in length and thinner. This is identified as a 160, and the reason that is because when it's inflated, it's going to be 1 inch wide by 60 inches long. Its brother or sister is larger, and it is going to be called a 260, being 2 inches wide and 60 inches long once it's inflated. Same exact thing here. You're just going to take the balloon and put the lip of the balloon around that first ridge, and give it a nice firm hold, and then you're going to tie it up. First you pump it, and then you take this stretchy, stretchy long neck, and I'm just going to put it around my fingers and then simply pull it through, giving me a clean knot. So that's really the basis of this, is I just want to make sure that you don't have any air in here, that you are putting the lip of the balloon around the base, that it's completely flat when you start off with. Everything is at a starting position. It's very important. And now you can increment your amount of air you want in there. And you can really get good at this so that you can just tie it without even looking, eventually. But today we're going to look at it, and we're just going to tie another knot right inside of there. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you again for joining us at Mayflower, and have yourself a very pleasant day.